Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade in investing.com. To begin, open investing.com in your browser. This platform is widely used for market quotes, charts, and financial news, and in this walkthrough, you'll use it to find an asset and move to a trading partner where the order can be placed. Once the site has loaded, look to the top of the page and click on the search bar. This is the quickest way to find a specific market or instrument without browsing through menus. When the search field is active, type in the sample symbol shown on screen. As you enter it, matching results should appear, helping you confirm that you're selecting the correct asset. Next, click on the sample symbol from the search results. This will open that asset's page where you can review its market information. Take a moment here to make sure you're on the right listing, since many instruments can have similar names or symbols. After that, scroll down the page. On the asset page, investing.com typically displays additional details, charts, and related actions further below. So keep scrolling until you reach the trading option shown in the video. When you see it, click on Buy. This usually acts as a bridge from the market information page to a supported trading service. In this example, the next option is Buy on BYDFi. So go ahead and click that button as well. This redirects you to the external trading platform connected to the asset you selected. Once the BYDFi page opens, click on Start Trading. This takes you into the trading interface for the selected market. Depending on your setup, the platform may require you to be signed in before you can continue, so make sure you're ready to proceed within your own account. From there, scroll down and enter the needed trading data. This is the stage where you review and fill in the order details carefully. For example, you'll want to check the trading pair, the amount you plan to buy, and any other required fields shown in the order panel. Move slowly here so you can confirm everything is accurate before submitting anything. Finally, once all the required trading information has been entered and reviewed, click on Buy BTC to place the order. Before you confirm, it's always a good idea to double-check the amount and the asset name to avoid mistakes, especially when markets move quickly. That's it. You've now gone from searching for an asset on investing.com to opening the trade and preparing the purchase through the linked trading platform.